So in this video, you'll learn how to install the Samsung Music app on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So if you want to install the default music app that normally comes with your Samsung phone, then this is what you need to do. You need to start by opening either the Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store so that you can be able to install the app. So for me, I'll prefer to use the Galaxy Store. Once you've launched your preferred app, you then want to use the search function and you want to type in Samsung Music and then search. If you don't see it listed in either of those stores, then you can always just try and opening the other one just to see if it's available from there. And then you can see it's available in the Google Play Store where it wasn't available in the Galaxy Store. So just tap on it and then select install and simply wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once the app has been installed, you can tap on open, or you can just go back to the home screen, locate the app, and then tap on it from there to launch it. Then from here, just go through the setup process so that you can start using the app on your Galaxy phone. Once you've done that, you can now see you've successfully installed the Samsung Music app onto your Galaxy S25. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.